From the beginning of the journey, China Airlines places emphasis on service quality and cherishing resources for each passenger. We do our best to improve fuel efficiency and environmentally sustainable services. We are not only concerned about the flavor, but also the sources of food ingredients. We use local ingredients from different countries whenever possible and reduce carbon emissions during transportation. To fulfill the commitment to an eco-friendly environment at every stage. We are dedicated to creating a low-carbon and energy-efficient operating environment. We wash airplanes using water-efficient technology for water resource conservation. In order to achieve the carbon reduction targets of the global aviation industry, we actively introduce more fuel-efficient fleets. And use sustainable and eco-efficient biofuels for global environmental sustainability. We are also concerned about and support sustainable ecological conservation consistently. We hope all creatures of land and sea can continue to thrive. We are also concerned about climate change and ask for the highest standards. We've earned multiple awards from all over the world and actively support and join in international research programs to protect the global environment and resources. China Airlines sincerely invites you to move towards the goals of zero-carbon flights with us. Let's protect the Earth and pass on this beautiful world to the future generations.